Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and this is Edmir again with another video for you this week. And today's video, or this week's video, I will be showing you a little bit of my culture. As you know already, I am Filipino, and I wanted to show you something from my country. So I have here with me a Filipino food. It's called Longanisa. And it's really good. It's a Filipino sausage, and it's really good and really tasty. I've seen them in local stores, so I know they're out there. So just go ahead and try to look, or if you have an Asian market or a Filipino store close by, especially Seafood City. So if you have Seafood City by your house, go ahead and grab one of these here. So this is called Longanisa, and I have it right here. And I'll give you a better close-up of this in a minute. So you're gonna need that, and yeah, let's get going. Let me show you what you need to do to prepare for this. But let me just take a sip of my Dunkin' Donut. Oh my god, I love this coffee. I can't have enough of Dunkin' Donut. I drink this every day, once a day, at least an extra large. Regular coffee with cream and sugar. So good. Okay, so what we have here, we have the Filipino sausage right here. So it's all defrosted. I took it off the package, so it's now here. It's really soft. Look at that. So good already. I'm hungry. It's making me hungry. So I got that. And what you're gonna need is you're gonna need also a nice big frying pan. I have it right here. And then also water. So I got water right here. Have it all in this container. So I'm gonna use all that water. You're gonna need that for this, and I will show you how to cook it. So let's go down there to the stove. Okay, so we're gonna turn this on. Make sure I'm turning on the right one. Okay, so we're gonna pour right there, just a little bit, not all of this, so just a few. We're just gonna take this and slowly place it in there. We're not cutting these up, so normally you would cut it up, but I'm not gonna cut it up. There's no need to, because in the end we're gonna eat it, right? So we're gonna take the other casing right here. Put that there. Ooh, so good. Okay, perfect. So that's cooking right now. I'm just gonna move this around. Make sure you move the sausages around so it doesn't stick to the pan. Okay, perfect. I got a knife right here. And what we're gonna do, we're just gonna stab each one of them because the juice has to come out. So let's see if I can get a capture of this. You see it? Smells good already. Do I have any Filipino viewers? Meron ba akong Filipino viewers? Kung meron ako, mag-like kayo at saka mag-comment. Kasi, you know, it means a lot to me. Look at that. See how it's all, it looks like it's bleeding? It's supposed to. So, I'm just gonna let that sit for a while. Sarap na sarap. So we're just gonna do a little bit more. See? Look at that. Gonna make sure. So we're just stabbing the other side. Ooh! Woo! That went so high up. Gotta be careful now. Okay guys, look. It's now on that boiling point. You can see it's now, see? It's bubbling because it's about to get dry. And remember when I told you about the sauce? You see how, look at that. It's creating a sauce. So this is already done. Dinner is served, because right now it's dinner time. And this is what I'm gonna eat tonight. Yummy. Okay. Swirl that around. Okay. Take the sausage. Slowly put that there. And then take the other one. Make sure you get all that juice. See? These are juice. You're gonna get all that. It's just twirling with goodness. So right there. Got that. And then we're gonna take some of this soup here and put it in there. So grab a spoon. And we're just gonna take that. We're gonna glaze. See this? That's good stuff right there. This is the sauce for the longanisa. I'm just gonna scrape that out. And we're gonna dab it in there. Alright, so the finished product is right there, the longanisa. That looks so good. And then I have it here already on the plate. So I have right there the rice, and I have also the longanisa. So I'm gonna take a bite of it and just see how it tastes. Alright, so finished product here for you, how to cook a longanisa. I hope you enjoyed the video. It's really quick, something really simple. So don't forget to go to any Filipino store if you want to try this out. It's called Longanisa. So I'm gonna eat this and just try to see the first taste test. So we're gonna go bite into it. So I'm gonna grab the sausage right here. So good. I highly recommend it. Grab some rice here. So good. Just want to thank you all for watching this video. It means so much to me. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe button if you want to see more of me. Alright, till next time, I will see you all on my next video.